All right, number 3 on the QR quiz is asking us again to find the derivative, but again, as you can see, our function looks a little different. So in this case, we're going to have to use the quotient rule. All right. So the quotient rule basically looks like this. We find the derivative of the top and we multiply that against the original term, the original second term, the bottom term right here. We subtract that by the original first term and then multiply it by the derivative of the second term. And then all of that gets divided by the bottom term or the second term squared. So it's going to look like this. F prime of x is equal to, find the derivative of this first one, which is just 3, right? And you multiply that by this bottom term, 2 minus x. Okay? So then we subtract, and we have to subtract the original term, 3x, the first one, plus 9. And then we get the derivative of this bottom term now, which is just -1. Okay? Next, we divide all of this by this bottom term again, just squared. Like that. So then this is going to look like this. So we're going to FOIL everything out. So 3 times 2 is going to give us 6, right? And then 3 times -x is going to give us -3x minus, and then keep this in parentheses, it's very important. 3x minus times -1 gives us -3x, and then you're going to multiply 9 by -1, which gives you -9, and again all over 2 minus x squared. Excuse me. And then we're just gonna combine like terms. So if f prime of x equals to 6 minus 3x, excuse me, and we're gonna distribute this negative sign, so it becomes plus 3x plus 9 all over 2 minus x squared, which equals, as you can see here, the 3 x's cancel out, and we're just left with the 6 and the 9, and we add those together, which gives us 15 all over 2 minus x squared. And that is your answer. So the derivative of f of x equals to 3x plus 9 over 2 minus x is equal to 15 over 2 minus x squared.